What's up? It's Vinny 10 over at Vinny 10 Racing with Steve, Yarrick, Big Man Arthur. Frankie was out here earlier today helping out, doing a great job. Well, engine's ice cold. This is a real first start. This is not, oh, we started it, and now we're going to see if we can restart it for the camera. No, this is real. So anyway, the only thing we didn't do is boot up the computer. Got to have our health tech going. So this is it. This is what we've been waiting for. All right. Now we did prime this motor already, so it is primed. We pressure prime the motor as we do all our new motors. So it is primed. We've seen the oil come up through the turbo, so we know we got oil. So. I guess we'll get right back to you. We'll figure out. This is where it's at. Talk to you in a few. Well, it looks like at very least we have a no spark situation. So we're gonna probably call it a night, wrap it up, and I guess we're gonna try to look at this with some fresh eyes and some fresh brains tomorrow. So I'll see you guys tomorrow, man. It never ends. You know, actually somebody asked me today, when does it end? And I go, believe me, it can end. It ends badly sometimes. This is one of those times. All right. Good night.